is something quite beautiful about grasses, the monocotyledons that just do it for me in the garden. And their popularity has grown in leaps and bounds from some of the scraggly indigenous grasses that used to only be available to so many different colors, ones with amazing flowers, and those that create mood and drama. This is in the grass garden, late afternoon, and look at this beautiful pennisetum. It's called Cream Falls. It's so yummy. You want to almost hug it. And the way that they fall and cascade over the rock wall here just softens everything. And of course, from a maintenance point of view, any grasses are so easy to look after. What happens when this guy's finished flowering? Well, it's a really short back and sides. It's what I call a number one. And you will never kill it. I promise you, you won't. It's just a really good haircut, and away it comes again for the next season. All I do say to you is only prune after it's flowered. This is the plant that you buy for beginner gardeners. Because even when it's dead, it still looks great. True story. This is Carex. It's one of the bronze Carex. Great in clusters, 3s, 5s, 7s, and beautiful to create contrast in the garden anywhere, and doesn't get much bigger than this. And then, of course, there's the Pennisetum rubrum, tall and slender, moving in the grass, creates that drama. And another one of my favorites is Carex Feather Falls. Beautiful, blonde, stripy, they just cascade over. Sun, semi-shade, doesn't get too big, great in containers, and she really is just a beaut. Guys, the planting palette is there for you. Go and introduce some of these wonders that create drama, beauty, interest, and something for the birds.